How to stop hiccups. So, if you're ever having hiccups, that means that your lungs is attached to the muscle, and it just like keeps pulling down, and then the oxygen just comes out fast. And that one makes the sound like that. Now, how to stop hiccup if you want to cure it. Now put your two hands into here and breathe in and hold your breath for about a few seconds. That'll actually stop the hiccups. Also, plus, if hiccups are that start and never stop for more than 48 hours, you should go see a doctor. That's how you stop.